Yeah, YouTube, what is going on? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know why, but my GoPro is only telling me I have 33 minutes of recording, which I usually have close to 2 hours when it's empty, and it's almost completely empty actually. But that doesn't really matter because hopefully it's enough for today. Because today, guys, it has snowed. And not just a little bit, a lot of bit. So we're going to go out, we're going to hook the GoPro up to the Jeep, gonna do some skids for the kids, and hopefully people are stuck. Well, not hopefully for them, but hopefully for us, somebody's stuck that we can pull out. So we're gonna go head out to the Jeep, and we're just gonna drive around for a few hours and see how things go. So I'll see you guys when I get the GoPro set up in the Jeep. Yo guys, what is up? You're probably going to notice a lot of change in quality throughout this video between the first clip, the intro with the GoPro, this clip, which I'm recording with, I'm trying to get the glare out, which I'm recording on my MacBook, which I edit with, and I'm also going to record the outro to this video with this MacBook. But so there's the GoPro footage, the MacBook footage, and iPhone footage in this video. So it changes up quality a little bit. But basically I just wanted to let you guys know that with my Jeep, if you guys don't know, well, if I turn to the left, I get like one full turn in to the left, and then my tires start to rub, and then I can only turn a certain amount to the right also before my tires start to rub. So while I'm drifting, it's kind of hard and it's kind of sketch if I'm trying to initiate a drift to the left, because I can't really throw the Jeep too hard to the left, or if I'm initiating to the right and counter steering to the left, the tires rub and I don't get full lock, so it's kind of sketch. But that problem will be resolved soon, hopefully. But yeah, that's all I wanted to let you guys know that. And the GoPro, I couldn't get to stick to the windshield the way I wanted it to, so I was either holding it and driving behind the steering wheel, or I was holding it on the dash and driving with one hand. So things seem a little fast or skippy in the Jeep and my drifting. That's why. But I'm gonna let you guys watch the remainder of this video, and I'll see you guys in the outro. guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you're wondering about the music that I used, it is copyright free. As far as I know, I just Google search and YouTube searched copyright free music, and there's a whole YouTube channel dedicated to copyright free music where I'm pretty sure I haven't found any songs with words in it yet. It's just like beats that people made or whatever, and I guess they allow whoever to use them for free as long as you put the links and information in the description below, which I have to the two different music choices I used. But yeah, guys, it's gonna wrap up this video. Like I said, music down below. If you're interested in it, it is copyright free. If you were wondering, so the drifting we did, that was in my Jeep, and then later the evening we took my girlfriend's Jeep through her development, because between our two developments, her development was the only one with enough snow on the road to still tow a sled behind a Jeep. So we used her Jeep because it has stock exhaust and we wouldn't piss any of the neighbors off while we were driving in circles for an hour. So yeah, guys, I'm going to head out. If you like this video, leave a like down below. If you have any ideas for what you want to see on the channel, comment it down below. I did order something for the Jeep recently, which there will be a video on that as soon as it comes in and as soon as it is installed. But yeah, guys, leave a like, comment below what you want to see on the channel. If you're new, please press that subscribe button. I have some fun plans and some fun videos coming to the channel this year of 2018. We're going to try making it a big year for me, for the channel, for the Jeep, and for whichever car is coming next. But yeah, guys, I'll see you next time.